Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nandi. So today I have another unboxing for you guys. So I have been backstory. I have been waiting for this package for the longest time. And for the longest time, I mean for the longest time. I bought it last month on the 4th. And then it only got to me yesterday. Imagine, I've waited for like a month plus 2 months for me to get my package. And when I bought it, I was like, I really need these shoes for winter. So I got them, thinking they'll be here within 15 days so that I can enjoy it for the rest of winter in July and have fun with it. It didn't get to me on time, but it's here. I was really not looking forward to me doing the whole process again and them shipping out shoes for me again and what. So I was really praying that my shoes would actually be found and what, but they were never lost. It just took longer this time around for them to reach me, apparently. But here is a parcel. I actually unboxed it yesterday because I couldn't wait. I had to try out the shoes and see whether they would fit me, and they did. It fit me perfectly, and I mean perfectly. And your girl is gonna look like a snack. You should follow me on Instagram so that you can see how it turns out when I put it together. But because I want to wear them right now, I'm actually going out. I'm supposed to be doing my makeup and getting dressed, but first I wanted to make this video, then do that, because I couldn't wait. The sun is about to set and I'm gonna take longer to get dressed and what. So I was like, let me just freelance it and do it without makeup on, because I don't look bad. Thank you to my mom and dad for my jeans. But yes, so let's get back to the topic. So the shoes. So because I usually receive my parcels from Kafua, so I send them to Mercury sends them to me. So the process even got longer, but Mercury was really fast, so it got to me the next day. So I really thank Mercury for that. So since I unboxed it, these are the shoes that we got. I got some shoes from Public Desire again. I love their shoes. So this was the packaging, this was the plastic, and then this is the box. Okay, this box is beautiful and it's really hard. Top quality. So this is the box. Oh shit. And then these are the wrappings. And then the babies themselves. So this shoe, I have been dying to have this shoe. I saw it on Crystal, like she looked really cute, and that is what I want to do. Like I want to put on the same way she dressed. So I am really looking forward to looking like a snack today. So this is the shoe. Drum roll please. Oh my god, look at this shoe. Look at this shoe, guys. It's a boot. Look at this. This shoe is gorgeous. This shoe is perfect. This shoe is much needed. I actually saw this on Kylie first. She was putting on this with a shirt that I actually wanted to buy today, and then they told me it's sold out by Ngozi Styles. I was really hurt by that, but that was what I was gonna wear today. But we gotta move. I can't wait because winter is almost done. Oh shit, there's a little bit of a thing there, but not everything can be perfect. I've loved to love my imperfect things because I've got OCD, so I really love perfect things. But I find the joy in things that are not perfect, and everything turns out to work out. So let's get back to the shoe. The shoe is beautiful. Look at this. Look at the detail. And I wanna wear this with, wait a minute. So this bag, I got it from, what's the name of that shop? I'm gonna link it down below. This bag is perfect. I have been wearing it with everything and it matches everything. And look at this, guys. Look at this. This is perfect, guys. Look at this. Look at this.